I'm always right. I'm always wrong.
What is going on, Ben Nation? I hope you're having a great morning. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Now, look, if you're part of Ben Nation, one of the important things that you have to do is make sure that you hit like on the video. Make sure you leave a comment down below, because that's how you get this thing trending. If you want it to trend, I'm one of the only people covering on YouTube. So make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment. That helps to send it. I'm not compensated for this. So it helps push it up in the algorithm and gets more people looking at Ben, and that creates profitability for you, the investor, not for me, the talking head, talking about it. So let's get into it right now. Ben trading at 67.17 had a nice little reversal while the market was tanking. Ben was spanking. I want to say it's probably not the right thing to say, but you get what I'm talking about. Had a nice little move, broke out of this descending sort of channel, really had a nice run to the upside, got to about 8,000 with 7 zeros, and then was summarily rejected, but found support on that same line. Now, guys, if you follow me, we've been talking about these lines for the last bunch of days. It bounced right back off of it and then made its way back up. Now, the markets have not been kind. The markets have not been our friend for the last bunch of days. They've been very difficult. Now, we did get this nice little run up, breaking 7,000 again, which was another point of resistance. And now we're coming back down again because these markets, they're a little bit wonky. We haven't really seen a reversal off of the Fed yesterday. It looks like the bears are still in charge, but will they stay in charge? Now, very possible in the grander scheme of things that they will, but I don't think that Ben is going to apply that way. Now, what I do expect to see, and what we are seeing right now, if you guys are zooming in, you got to zoom in on this one to follow with me. We saw this wick down here, which generally means a reversal back to the upside when you have a full candle up here with a little wick on the bottom. The longer the wick, the more aggressive the buyback is. But it looks like we're finding a little bit of support right around the 6,700 level right now, really consolidating in this level. Hopefully, that means that there's another move. And it looks like the next area is going to be around 7,200. If we can find the support, we can find the reversal, then you'll see a move. It looks like the push for Ben is to the upside right now. Anything can happen. Obviously, there's no promise of profit with Ben, but there is at least an opportunity, and it looks like something to take advantage of. Hopefully they will. Now, the overall Ben price, roughly the same as what it is on Uniswap. Trading volume about 4 million. Looking over here, you can see 1 million here, but you've got $3 million in trading volume over in other broader markets. With the biggest one being BitGet, by the way. BitGet has about 1.2 million in trading volume, and then the rest of them, Bitmart, L-Bank, you've got some of them out here. MEXC, long a contender, by the way, for number one. With it had a bad day yesterday. What's going on with you, MEXC? Also, shopping.io. We're thrilled to announce the integration of Ben token on shopping.io. Shop with these and pay using Ben while enjoying an additional 10% shop back on every purchase for 2 weeks. Now, this is great because what this does is it provides you with some value for your tokens. And here's what I recommend that you do. If you're looking to do this, and if you're looking to use Ben on shopping.io, rather than trade it out for fiat or do something like that, go buy yourself a laptop. But before you do that, let it pump a little bit. Then you'll feel a little bit better for it. So that's up to you. Of course, you do what you got to do. But then we have this thing right here. Ben retweeted it yesterday, BitBoy, and it really talked about what the market's going to do, and that we're really kind of 40,000 for Bitcoin is kind of a magnet. I say 37.3, but we'll call it 40,000, but it's 37.3. Seems like a magnet right now for Bitcoin, but it's going to take a little time because we're going to have to test these markets out because the capital does still have to come back in. So, we're waiting patiently. We're on the sidelines. We're all here waiting for that big move that we haven't seen yet. Now, with that being said, be very careful in your trading for the next couple of days. The Fed usually causes wild swings. We saw that wild swing yesterday. We saw the bears cash in. Now it's going to be the bulls' turn, I think. There's no guarantee, and there's no idea when it's going to happen. But at some point, I think the bulls are going to strike, and when they do, we'll see a nice little reversal. Now, with this pressure being down, and with, if you follow me, by the way, 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, Breakfast with Bleeves, Bedtime with Bleeves. If you follow me, I'm a little bit more bearish right now about it because I do think that we have to pull some liquidity from these lower numbers in order to layer in some new longs to help us get to that next level. But as long as the capital exists, the sky's the limit. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content, and make sure you leave a comment down below. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.
Whoa, another shot of the bullet. Loaded, got complex, cocking and pulling. That bottleneck look like the Loch Ness. What are we doing? I'm about to fall out, boy, and the proof's in the pudding. So, can we forget about the things I said when I was drunk? I ain't mean to call you that. I'm ice cold like the